Hello, my name is Dave Orlandi. I'm a consultant with Quest Software. What if you could quickly understand what changes took place in a particular window of time in your database environment to help isolate potential performance issues? With Quest's Foglight, you can. Foglight is a cross-platform database monitoring and diagnostics solution. Specifically, what's being displayed here is Foglight's Performance Investigator dashboard. A number of change events are identified using various colored data points. What's more, the changes are overlaid on a performance workload graph to allow for correlating changes with an improvement or degradation in performance. If this is the type of actionable data you want and need from a monitoring and diagnostic solution, watch the remainder of this video to see the few simple steps taken to get here. First, launch the Foglight web client and log in. From this primary dashboard, called the Global View, identify the instance against which you'd like to diagnose change activity. To filter on a particular database type in a cross-platform environment, in this example SQL Server, select the SQL Server tile to filter and display only the SQL Server instances. Select the workload bar for a specific instance. This brings you directly to the Performance Investigator dashboard. Now choose the window of time you'd like to filter on. This can be accomplished by selecting the day, date, and time here in the top right corner. You'll see in the top left options to use either a calendar or a timeline. So that we can have some more data and see additional changes, I will expand the window of time from the default of 1 hour to 7 days. Now, you'll want to familiarize yourself with a few tabs in the Performance Investigator dashboard. To work with change tracking, select the Advanced Analytics tab and then the Change Tracking tab. The different colored dots represent change event types. Here on the right side is a legend that identifies each. The pink is SQL Server permission changes. Yellow signifies database configuration parameter changes. Red equals DDL changes. Say, for example, if someone dropped a critical table or modified a view. Orange identifies execution plan changes, statements that have run and use a different access path. Dark purple represents changes to the master database. Blue means there were OS or hardware level changes. And green denotes user-defined changes. Say, for example, you run a maintenance script and you'd like to plot and track that change against performance. Simply select the Add Change button to do that. Choose the baseline or resource breakdown graph options here to understand how these changes may have affected performance. Simply click and drag to crop and zoom in to isolate a window of time of particular interest. Once selecting the Update Page with Zoomed Time icon here in the left corner of the graph, the changes for that time period are displayed at the bottom. Select any particular change for additional details. I hope this information and the walkthrough of Foglight's Performance Investigator change tracking workflow proved useful. What if you could? Now you can. Search on Quest Foglight for databases to learn more and download a free trial.